Today, guys, we're on our way to service the candy machine. It's been 2 months since we've gone to take out the money and fill it up. All right, here we go. Here is the machine. So you see the M&Ms are low. Skittles are still okay, but we're gonna fill that up. And like I said, hopefully, no, it looks like they've been eating them. So there should be a lot of coins in the back. Let's check it out. Well, we're gonna give it a wipe, sanitize it, clean it all good, take the money out, refill it, all that good stuff. Okay, let's see what we got here. Do we got candy or do we have coins? Yeah, we got some money in here. There you go, the M&Ms are the popular one. See, this is the tab that I was talking about. These open up and the candy will fall out. We gotta make sure those are pushed in well. So let's take this out and see how much we got. Here are the coins that we pulled out from the candy machine. How much you think we got there? Let's count this out and see how much we made. All right, there it is, guys. We counted it out. We got $5, $10, $15, $20, $1, $2, $3, $4, $24.50 for 2 months. I want to take a moment and say hi to 2 of my viewers, get a little shout out, a little thank you. So thank you, Diego and Rio, for watching my videos. I'm glad you like them. I'm glad you enjoy them, and keep watching them. Keep watching them. All right, I decided to make a quick stop at the Goodwill here. Supposedly today, purple tags are supposed to be $1. I don't know what's gonna be left. I'm sure everybody already went through the store. They already went through the store. But let's go check it out, see if we find anything. I haven't been to this Goodwill in a while. So they don't have much on toys here, but sometimes they do have a couple of things that are pretty good. Oh, look at that. Wonder Woman still has a tag. That should be a good one. How much is this guy? Let's see, can we find any cool little trinkets? Little trinket box. Yeah, this Goodwill is usually pretty bare, but I asked about the sales and they're not doing any sales yet. She said, no, we were told we can't do any sales. So I think we gotta stick to the Orange County ones because they're the ones having the sale. So we got any good mugs up here? I don't see anything. No, I don't see anything. All right, well, we'll keep looking, because here before COVID they used to have $1 Fridays there was a color that was a dollar, and I found that out like right before everything shut down. Let's see if we got anything. This Goodwill is kind of good to go to just if you're in the area. It's right off the 405 in Carson, so Oh look, here goes another one of these. I've been seeing these often now. This one's oranges. Gotta keep an eye out for a strawberry one for Monique. Let's take a look at the electronic stuff here. I've found some stereo receivers here for $1, and I've sold for 50 bucks. That's probably been like the better flips from this area here. Let's see. Comment below if you see anything good that I probably missed. See, we got some Scentsy stuff here. $7.99. Are you out of your mind? Sometimes you find some good stuff on this aisle right here. Don't see anything. There goes a candy machine right there. How much is this? Seen it? Squabble. $4.99. Got a doll here for $5.99. Maybe I should look that up. Let's see. A little sealed rummy cube here. We'll look that. Does that say $3.99 or $39.99? Oh, what's this here? We'll look this up just in case. Let's see. Ooh. This says tab punch. This might be good just for personal use. I found the receipt for the candy, and we paid $8 for the Skittles and $11 for the M&Ms. Me switching out those gumballs, I think that's gonna help. I just gotta pick the right candy. Now I don't know if I should go with another candy or I should go with like peanuts and stuff like that, but then that stuff goes stale. So maybe another candy will be good. I just got to get the mechanism, which I have other machines, so I can pull out the mechanism or buy one. Because there's a difference. It's a gumball mechanism inside, and then there's a candy mechanism. So you can switch them out. So I think I have a candy mechanism, so I just got to clean it, sanitize it, and then take it and swap it out and buy another candy. And maybe that might be good. That might help. Because we've tried this we've been going on 3 months, 4 months. And yeah, the gumballs, it's still the same gumballs, so they don't seem to be moving. Yeah, maybe another candy might be good. Probably Reese's, maybe Reese's. Reese's, how do you say it? That or some of those like Mike and Ike's. But then those get sticky if it gets hot, it gets sticky inside. So yeah, gotta think about it. What candy would you suggest? What do you think people would like besides M&Ms and Skittles? What do you think that third candy would? What do you think a good option would be for that third candy? If I were to take out the gumballs, which I think I am, let me know in the comments below what you would choose. And I think that would really increase sales on that machine. And that's it, guys. That's the end of the video. But first, let me show you what I got at this Goodwill here that we went to. I picked up this Wonder Woman plush bear here. Still has a tag. This looks like it's from Six Flags. Six Flags. It had like what Six Flags it was from. Six Flags. Maybe it's down here. Six Flags Grand Prairie, Texas. So we got that Wonder Woman one. And then we got this Sesame Street one. And Monique said her name is Abby Cadabby or something. Real nice condition. A little wear here, but not too bad. Looks like one of the wings came loose. But yeah, Sesame Street, Hasbro brand. And then I got this little puppy here. This thing's awesome. Look at that. Looks realistic. So as Bargain Zombie Hunter says, I'm gonna list this as realistic. I think that's a good one. Still has its tags. Boo, world's cutest dog. Look at that. Boo, world's cutest dog. And it's made by Gund. Oh, cool. I didn't even notice that. That's a good one. Maybe we could get good money for this. But yeah, that's it, guys. End of the video. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos, and see you on the next one.